Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh and a very good evening to all. So we are from Group 3 and today we will be presenting about Module 5 of Microsoft Excel 2016, which is the working with multiple worksheets and workbooks. So the objective of Module 5 of the Excel 2016 is to format a consolidated worksheet, to fill using a linear series, to use date, time and rounding functions, to apply a custom format code, to create a new cell style, to copy a worksheet, to drill, to add data to multiple worksheets at the same time, and to select and deselect sheet combinations. Next, to enter formulas that use 3D cell references, to use the paste gallery, to format a 3D pie chart with an exploded slice and lead lines, to save individual worksheets as separate workbooks file, and view and hide multiple workbooks, and finally, to consolidate data by linking separate workbooks. So the roadmap of the Module 5, the roadmap of the project is to create and format the consolidated worksheet. We will fill using a linear series, we will use data and round functions, we will apply a custom format code, we will create the cell styles, and we will add and populate worksheets, we will insert a 3D pie chart, and finally, we will link with the workbooks in this module.
I want to show to you how to enter formulas using the round function. First, select the desired cell, type the equal round, and then click the enter box in the formula bar to display the formula and the resulting value in the select cell. Drag the fill handle on the lower right of the cell to the desired location. Click the Sum button on the Home tab. Select the desired cell range and then press the Enter key to add a sum function to the selected cell. Now you get it.
For the slide number 8, to create a custom format code, select the range of cell and right-click any of the selected range to display a shortcut menu and then click Format Cell to display the Format Cell dialog box. If necessary, click the Number tab to display the Number tab and then click Custom in the category list to begin creating a custom format. First, select the range of cell and right-click, then click Format Cell and click Custom, then choose any type that you want. For example, then click OK. After that, it will display to the selected range. For the slide number 9, we are going to create a new cell type. First, click the Cell Style button on the Home tab to display the Cell Style gallery. Then click New Cell Style in the Cell Style gallery to display the Style dialog box. First, we click the Cell Style and then click the New Cell Style. So here we can rename the style. For example, heading. Then click Format. So here we have element, font. So font we can choose any. Border, fill, for example, and click OK. So now we are done. Create a new cell style. Slide number 10 is to apply a new style. So here we select the cell that we want to apply. Click the cell style, then click the style that we create. So now it applied to the cell that we select.
Untuk slide 11, to add a worksheet to a workbook, click the New Sheet button at the bottom of the window to add a new worksheet to a book. Maksud dia, tambah sheet baru macam ni, dekat bawah ni. Boleh tambah berapa nak. Lepas tu, to copy and paste from one worksheet to another. Maknanya, ni, contoh yang ni nak copy. Select dulu. Copy. Lepas tu, pilih sheet mana-mana kita nak paste. Jadi macam tu. Tu untuk slide 11. Okay, slide 12 pula. To copy a worksheet using a shortcut menu. Right-click the desired sheet tab to display a shortcut menu. Click Move or Copy to display the Move or Copy dialog box. Click the desired location and then tap or click to place a check mark in the Create a Copy checkbox. Click the OK button to add a copy of the worksheet to the workbook. Dia punya explanation tu, maksud dia. Contoh yang ni, nak shortcutkan copy paste. Kita tekan right click dekat sini, kat sheet ni, sheet 2. Lepas tu, tekan move or copy. Lepas tu, pergi dekat sheet yang kosong yang mana kita nak. Lepas tu, create a copy. Lepas tu, tekan OK. Nanti dia akan keluar macam ni. Ni sama dengan ni. Slide 13. To drill an entry through worksheets, right-click sheet 1, tab and then click select all sheets. Type the entry in the desired cell and then press the down arrow key to change sample data to the actual value. Enter the remaining entry changes in the other cells and then select a blank cell to select the same cell in all of the selected workbooks. Right-click the sheet 1 tab and then click Ungroup Sheets. Click through the sheet tabs in use to verify that all are identical. Maksud dia, contoh ni kita punya data. Lepas tu dekat sheet 1 ni, tekan right click. Lepas tu ni select all sheets. Okay, lepas tu contoh kita nak ubah amount dekat sini. Contoh kita nak ubah negatif 400. Lepas tu, kalau kita nak ubah sheet 2 dan 3 juga, tekan shift dekat keyboard. Lepas tu, tekan 2, tekan 3. Lepas tu, lepas shift. Lepas tu, pergi dekat sheet 1, ungroup sheet. Lepas tu tengok, ni negatif 400. Negatif 400. Sheet 2 pun negatif 400. Sheet 3 pun negatif 400. Dia akan sama.
So for the next slide, I will be showing you how to enter a 3D reference. First is to select the desired cell and then tap or click the sum button on the Home tab to display the sum function and screen tip. Click the desired sheet tab to display the worksheet and then click the same cell to select the first portion of the argument for the sum function. While holding down the Shift key, click the new desired sheet tab to select the ending range of the argument for the sum function. And lastly, click the Enter box in the formula bar to enter the sum function with the 3D reference in the selected cells. I will be showing you the step one by one. So firstly, I have an example of a car's product for total January month and February month. And we will be moving these months to the 3D formula over here. So first things first is to click the total March at E6, type equal and sum, double click the sum, and it shows a number of 1 and 2. So click through January sheets, press the total January. After that, press shift button. While pressing the shift button, you still press it while transferring to February month. Then as you can see on top of here, it's the January and February months that we just clicked on. And now we end it with a bracket and enter. So this is a total that we get for the month of March. and just apply the same steps for the product of Toyota and Nissan. Click B7 equals, type sum, double click sum, go to January sheet and press the total January of Toyota. After that, press shift button. While pressing the shift button, go to February sheet and above here, close it with a bracket and press enter. Same goes to the Nissan total March. So for the next slide, I will be showing you how to use the paste gallery. First is to open your first sheet, click on first price, and then click on the sum. Press any number over here and go to your second sheet of February. Press the same cell, D7, and then while you are pressing that, press your shift button and then press 3D formula. And over here, you click enter. Click on the first price and then you press copy, drag your mouse below it until cell C8, then go to the paste button and find the formulas and then press it. For the formatting pie charts, I'll be showing you to move a chart on the same worksheet. So drag your mouse to the total and then press insert. Click on the pie chart and press 3D pie. So to move the chart is to click on the white area at the edge here and then click on your right mouse and move chart. So let's put our total January sheet name. You'll get to move your chart.
Okay, next slide is slide 17. It shows how to resize a chart. Drag the resizing handle in the lower right corner of the chart until the chart is the desired one. If necessary, click the zoom out button on the taskbar until you can see the whole chart. Okay, mula-mula make sure dah ada amount untuk kita nak letak kat dalam chart kita tu. So, okay, amount dah letak. Okay, so pergi kat insert sebab kita nak insert lah the pie chart tu kan, insert. Ikutlah yang mana korang nak. Yang penting pie chart. Okay, so kita nak drag resizing handle ni kat bawah kanan ni. So, nak make sure dia besar ke tak kan? Nak kasih besar ke kecil ke? Okay, so korang tarik, ikutlah besar mana yang korang nak. Nak kecilkan ke, nak besarkan ke. If kalau tak boleh nampak juga, tekan bawah ni, zoom out kan bendanya. So, kita boleh nampak
kita punya pie chart tu besar ke kecil ke, ikut yang mana yang korang nak. Okey, slide 19 ni ada ajar macam nak slicekan pie tu. Mula tekan slice yang mana yang korang nak, lepas tu right click. Dan right click tu cari format data point. Lepas tu nanti keluar dekat menu kanan ni, shortcut open ni. Yang pie explosion ni, korang tekan lah. Jadi dia akan pecah, nampak tu? Dia akan cerakin ikut yang berapa persen yang korang nak. Okay, next slide ni dia ajar macam nak rotate 3D pie chart ni. So, korang kena ada 3D pie chart dulu. Buat dekat insert, lepas tu dekat cari yang 3D pie chart. Cari 3D pie chart dekat atas, dekat bahagian chart tu. Korang tekan yang gambar pie tu, nanti kat situ ada keluar 3D pie chart. Dia jangan lupa juga untuk sediakan mouse supaya dia boleh masuk. Okay, nanti hasilnya jadi macam ni lah. Keluarlah 3D pie chart tu dulu. Okay, lepas tu tekan kat pie chart tu, tekan right click, cari yang 3D rotation. Lepas tu, dah tekan 3D rotation, dia akan keluar macam kat belah kanan ni, format chart area. So, nak rotatekan dia, tekan yang X rotation, bukan yang Y, untuk dia boleh pusing. Bila ikutlah mana arah kita nak, ke kiri ke kanan ke, macam tu.
To change margin and center the printout horizontally, click desired sheet tab and click select all sheet on the shortcut menu. Display the page layout tab and click the page setup dialog box launcher to display the page setup dialog box. When at set, display the page setup dialog box. If necessary, click the page tab to select desired orientation and scaling. The margin tab, the active tab to set the top, bottom, left and right margin as desired. Click the horizontally checkbox in the center on page area to center the worksheet on the printed page horizontally. Okay, let's try. First, right click the desired sheet and then select all sheet. Lepas tu tekan page layout tabs. Lepas tu boleh tukar dia punya orientation as desired. Lepas tu boleh tekan dekat print title untuk display page setup dialog box. Dekat situ boleh set dia punya margin, top, bottom, left and right. Next, dekat center on page tu tekan horizontally and then okay. Next, to add a header, click the page layout button on the status bar to display the worksheet in page layout view. Display the header area, click a header box to select it as the area for a header and then type the desired name. Enter desired text into the other header area. Okay, kita try buat. Pergi kat bawah tu, lepas tu tekan dekat page layout tu untuk page layout view. And then dekat atas tu dia ada kotak header tu. Dekat kotak tu lah nanti boleh enter desired text, file name, apa semua tu. Lepas tu boleh juga tekan dekat atas tu untuk file name, current time, current date, number of pages, page number. Lepas tu nanti dia naik lah macam yang saya buat ni. Next, to add a footer, first scroll down to the footer area, click the middle footer box to select it and then click the sheet name button, enter desired text into the footer and the other footer area. Okay, boleh tekan dekat go to footer, nanti dia akan scroll down ke bawah. And dekat bawah tu dia ada dia punya box. Dekat box tu lah boleh tulis desired text. Tak pun buat macam tadi, select je dekat atas tu. File name, page number, number of pages, apa semua tu. Okay, macam tu. Next, to search for an open workbook, first click open other open in the backstage view to display the open gallery. Click copy to SkyDrive or other location in the left pane and then navigate to the location of the drive to be searched. Type the search tag in the search box. While holding down the CTRL key, click each of the location workbook names one at a time to select the workbook to open. Okay, first pergi dekat file to display backstage view and then click open. Lepas tu tengok belah kiri tu, dekat belah kiri tu lah boleh choose salah satu untuk open file. Lepas tu pilihlah mana-mana file and then open. Okay, tu je.
Mula-mula buka open button, lepas tu pilih mana-mana workbook. Lepas tu tekan switch window button dekat view untuk tengok names of workbook. Tekan arrange all button dekat view untuk susun window dialog box. Tekan vertical untuk susun window vertically, lepas tu tekan OK untuk applykan.